So this is what I'm talking to you, that it is an orbital change. So after joining Google, उसका पूरा orbital change हो गया, स्तर जिसको कहते हैं ना, स्तर लेवल पूरा का पूरा बदल गया. And it is the real stories. You can have the example of mine, my students, everybody can do it. करना क्या है? फोकस करना. और फोकस दो चीजों से, वो मैं लास्ट में बताऊंगा क्या क्या चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती हैं. And one more idea I wanted to convey, that during these 3 years, you have wonderful teachers, wonderful head of the department, and he's very much supportive, I'm telling you. So many things are there, you can explore with the help of Google, and department will help you. You can do lot of courses. So these 3 years, what I'm telling you, you have to make an agenda of your life. How to make your personal branding. Because one thing I'm sure, that next era in India or every part of the world, I'm telling you, will be of digital. Everybody. So everybody will be having some kind of digital index, maybe like Aadhaar card. So how you socialize, how you behave, how you interact, how you give your like, shares on internet, on any, how you write your reviews. So all these things combinedly in future, and very near future, I'm telling you, they will create a social index of a person. So for example, if I am a social index 5.5, nobody will like me. So the moment I will go in front of the people, वो उनके सेलफोन पे ब्लिंक करेगा, ये अभी जो आ रहा है इसका सोशल इंडेक्स जो है 5.5. इट मीन्स ही इज नॉट वेरी मच approachable type of person. So that person will not give that type of person will, maybe he may be technically very strong, but maybe employers, Ola drivers, how you behave or something index, and people will be defined according to the digital presence. So it is day 1, day 2, day 3. What you have to do? One thing I'm telling you. Achha, how many of you are there like some kind of influencer or some you have some kind of blog or website? Is there someone? Okay. So you people are making what kind of blogs? Can you just इनको माइक दे दो. हाँ, ऑन करो.
Sir, I am an automotive YouTuber.
Okay. So what kind of comment you what kind of activity you do? मतलब on.
Sir, I am a moto blogger and I do vlogging.
Very nice. What's your name?
Nirmay Singh.
And what about your website or YouTube name? They will say what's the name of your YouTube channel?
NS Pro Life.
So everybody has listened? Can you repeat?
NS Pro Life.
Okay. What about thank you so much. What are the other people? Please, it's very interesting. At this young age, these people are, and you have to understand this. And I'll tell you one trick to become more, available on digital platform. Yes.
Good morning, sir. Actually, I create videos on Instagram. I create I influence people with my reels. Actually, I express my thoughts, whatever I have in my mind. I teach people about finance and marketing. Actually.
Oh, very nice, very nice. What's your name and what's your course?
I am pursuing BCA first year. My name is Pranshu Anand Saini.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah,
so,
thank you.
Since how long you are doing it?
Approx 1 year.
Very nice.
Actually, I have learned digital marketing, affiliate marketing. You can relate with me. I have working on my personal branding since one year, last 1 year. So that's the thing, sir. And I am improving day by day. I know video editing. Actually, I edit videos. I post it on Instagram, and I'm shifting my things on YouTube too. So I'm also focusing on that.
Very nice. Some other person was there. Third person. I think 3 people. The first thing is very important, which is MS Excel. So how many of you are very much, confident in MS Excel? I think you are around 100, you are more than 100 sitting there, only one person, 2%, I think, any more, only 2. This is not happening. This is not, I will not accept this. Excel is very important tool and everybody is using it. You have to do a small course on Excel because in this, during the course also, here you have, lot of presentations. See, this is very simple. Whenever you give presentations, if it is some, some format, people will like it. Instead of lot of other things are when you do Excel. So everybody learn Excel first of all. Become digital. So उसके लिए मैं बता रहा था आपको कि suppose for example if you write my name Manish Kumar Srivastava, IIT Delhi, the search engine will bring my name first. So search engine क्या करेगा, मेरे नाम को पहले पे ले आएगा. So like that I am giving you some tips. One tip is to become digital. How? 10 social media site or 10 website. You can register in the same name. Some people are using different name at different, maybe for Instagram they are using different name, maybe for Facebook they are using different name. Some people are not using also. No problem. At least 7-8 social media site if you register. For example, there is a scribd.com, where you can get some slides and PPTs and all that, right? So you can you can enroll on, for example, एक शहर आप लगा सकते हो, नाम क्या है, एक city, so that you will be different from other people, and then slowly Google will start remembering you. And then what happens, whenever you type your name, for example Manish Kumar Srivastava Lucknow wala, या Manish Kumar Srivastava historical event, Manish Kumar Srivastava Lucknowi Andaz, something like that. So that kind of if you can create, so definitely Google will able to search you, and then your name will be present in the first page. So these are the things. Then yes, of course, in the morning when I was I was thinking that these young minds actually how to give some kind of motivation. I was thinking. Then few tips I got from one of the book, which is from Chetan Bhagat. You know all Chetan Bhagat? Okay. So which is the recent book came out from Chetan Bhagat? Recent book. Achha, how many? Very few. That is also one point I wanted to mention. Read a lot. Because whenever a person write a book, he or she is doing a lot of research. So if you read that book at least once in a month, or when possible once in a semester, a presentation from a book, whatever book, fiction, non-fiction, they have to present once in a semester. If it is trimester, then you can use once in a trimester. Everybody. And single, I mean it is an individual assignment, that kind of assignment you can include. So these kind of things. Then I just wanted to give whatever is there. It was with shared by Chetan Bhagat ji. So since I am I am an IIT Delhi, so maybe मेरा गुरु भाई हो गया वो, senior है काफी. तो उनकी दो बुक आई हुई है. One is What Young India Wants. It is non-fiction. I am talking about non-fiction book. So you should read this book, as well as another book is also non-fiction, something. So the tips what I am giving you, it is given by him only. I am just trying to convey this message to you. The first tip is very much common, what I have told you, that develop some skills for the next 3 years. This is the wonderful opportunity, I am telling you. Either it is some software, those, it is not limited to नहीं हो पा रहा है, तब तक कुछ भी कुछ सीख सकते हो. There are so many things happening. Be it games, and BBA can use those games in customer engagement. So what is gamification then? So these are the future things. अभी I think syllabus में नहीं आया होगा gamification, but after अभी इंडिया में शुरू भी नहीं हुआ. Even IIMs and IITs also, they are doing some kind of 15 days workshop, but it is very much upcoming. And we at Christ, we are going to start in the next semester gamification as a marketing strategy. So this is the new thing. लखनऊ में आने में टाइम लगेगा, आप पहले से सीख लो. Giving a lot of tips how to excel in your field, and it is not limited. Anything is not limited to anybody. If I am talking to the third year or second year sitting backside, they should also still they have 1 year. Do some extra thing, and like I gave you the example from one of my students from Google. तो उसके लिए आपको ड्रीम देखना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा खुली आंखों से थोड़ा सपना देखिए, सपने देखिए, प्लीज सपने देखिए. और कोई भी सपने देखिए, सपने साकार होते हैं खुली आंखों से अगर देखा गया. और ये कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. एवरीथिंग कैन बी डन. आई एम टेलिंग यू एवरीथिंग. और जब आप करने लगते हो तो कहते हैं वो एक डायलॉग था कि पूरी कायनात हेल्प करती है. लेकिन हाँ, तो वो डायलॉग को मैं इस लेवल पे बोल रहा हूं कि अगर आप कोई काम में सच्चे दिल से काम करते हो तो पूरी पावर्स आपको हेल्प करती हैं. द सीक्रेट एक बुक है, द सीक्रेट. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट द सीक्रेट? वेरी फ्यू. इस बुक में यही है. थोड़ा साइंस बैकग्राउंड के लोग ही समझ पाएंगे. वेनेवर सी every person is an energy packet. One Michael is from US, one Michelle is from UK. So 5 people will get one project that is free of cost. You can talk to your head of the department, who is very, a great friend of mine, and he will also help you. So, and that is very much, individual. This is not any official thing. And, then they will give you the project, international project, something companies, about this, how companies have grown, what are the things, you can suggest some kind of things. So, there is no technical kind of thing. You can go there and you can start writing it, learning, because learning is, the thing which never available here at Ramsuru. We have wonderful library also. Please use it. And but what happens? Slowly you will realize after 1 month or 2 months, लोग ऐसे बातें करेंगे, अरे यार कुछ हो नहीं रहा है लाइफ में, something like that. अभी पहले दिन सब लोग बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, मजा आ रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है, सर आए थे, IIT से भी आए थे, बट एक टाइम ऐसा लगेगा. सो निगेटिविटी नहीं आने देनी है. That is the best thing is you have to avoid the negativity, and you have to understand कब आ रही है negativity, right? So the last thing what I want to tell you, that avoid negativity. And कैसे avoid करोगे, उसका एक सबसे अच्छा तरीका ये कि आपके साथ सबके साथ पॉजिटिव होने चाहिए. तो आपके ग्रुप में ही ऐसा ग्रुप होना चाहिए, ठीक है, जो पॉजिटिव लोग हैं. एंड बी पॉजिटिव. अगर कोई एक नेगेटिव जा रहा तो उसको प्रमोट कर दो कि भाई तुम उस तरफ मत जाओ. You have to remember the goal. You have to learn so many things, so many skills development about. टीचर आ जाते हैं ना थोड़ा सा, तो टीचर यूज टू टेल, मैं अब ज्यादा नहीं तुम्हें वो करूंगा, बट ये कि हाँ, आई थिंक दैट इससे कुछ फायदा होगा. सो थैंक यू सो मच. यू आर लवली पर्सन एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू सो मच.